Are those your stockings?
This filled up mine.
You filled up yours? Oh my gosh.
Look, I got this.
What is it?
A microphone.
Why don't you bring it in here? We'll sit down.
Look, there's yours, Will.
Mom, I got a microphone. This one, a microphone.
Do you think you put anything in Mommy and Daddy's? I'm going to take these out. It dumps it in.
There's your hammer.
Hold this over right here.
Okay.
No, right here. Right here. Right there.
You just gotta push them through with brute strength.
There you go. Keep going.
Oh, good job.
Keep going.
Flip it over. Now flip it over.
No.
Good job.
Play.
Yeah. Are you drawing on the mat? Go ahead. Not in your mouth. Draw on the mat.
Is that working?
No, it's working. Take a look, Will.
Yeah, two.
She does. Oh, that's very artistic, Will.
And then one there. And there's some in there.
Try that one. That one makes a different mark. It's big.
Wait.
Can you play me a song?
Good job, Joshua. Rat-a-tat-tat. Rat-a-tat-tat.
And Rum-a-tum-tum. Good dancing. Yay! Yay!
Okay, ready? Now turn the handle. Good job.
It's working, Dad.
Working?
Yeah.
With Daddy first.
Good listening.
Okay, ready? Hold on.
Squeeze it on. Make it purple.
Okay.
Do you need a spoon? What do you think? Is it good?
I think I want a bit more.
You think you want a little bit more? Is it good? What color did you get?
I don't know.
What color is it?
Purple.
Mm-hmm. Does it taste yummy? Did you tell Dad thanks for doing this?
Thanks for doing this.
You're welcome, thank you.
Thanks.
It is Santa Claus. Oh, did it stop?
That's right.
The choo-choo. Josh, are you ice skating?
Yeah, I stopped her.
What are you doing? You're ice skating?
I got the fall.
Oh, I'm glad he held your hands. I'm not gonna go, but you're doing a great job.